Hi everyone. So in part 9, what you'll see is me working on getting all the little gaps filled in, just for an extra measure of protection from the weather elements. So uh, I've gotten all the pieces cut out, the millions of pieces. I know I'm being extra, but that's exactly what it feels like at this point because there are a ton of pieces. Anyways, they're all cut out primarily, and then I am now filling it all in to make it extra secure. And I'll feel better about this because, it just adds an extra measure. So that's pretty much it for this video. And then it's getting closer, guys. I mean, it's getting closer to starting to put these things together. And, I think in the next couple of days, I'll be ready to form the shape of the window and hopefully turn that scaffolding in that I'm paying for every day. Well, hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. And if you can, please share. Have a great day. Bye.